Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Commerzbank app temporarily unavailable error. First, make sure that your internet is working properly. Then, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the Commerce Banking app and then swipe it away. Wait for a few while and then reopen it. Next, restart your device. After that, head over to your app store, search for your Commerce Banking app and update the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then sometimes the bank servers are under maintenance, so avoid using VPN while using banking apps. That's how to fix the Commerce Bank app temporarily unavailable error. Like and subscribe for more tech